Welcome back on Discovering Insurance Show on episode 6. Yes, we already on episode 6. We have so many speakers before this, but today we have our special guest in the house, Miss Loo Fen, the head of Bancassurance at Allianz General Insurance, with 10 years experience in the companies and previously a marketing executive. So I would like to greet and welcome our special guest today. Thank you, Loo Fen. Hi, welcome.
Hi, thanks for
Um,
having me.
yeah, thank you for being with us today. I think it's such a pleasure for have you in the house.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah. So guys, you can like engage with us. You can like ask some questions. Please utilize the chat and comment sections. You can ask the special guest. So I will start the talk show with rapid fire questions. So Loo Fen, are you ready?
Yes, I am,
Yes.
but not too hard, yeah.
So I will start a very simple one. You have been in this industry, specifically in Alliance for 10 years. What actually your favorite part of your job?
Yeah, I've been with Allianz for 10 years, you're right. Actually, I love meeting and interacting with people, all right, especially speaking with different people, Everyone that we speak to will actually learn something from them, right? And I can't really describe the satisfaction that we get, especially when we manage to help somebody with their claims. Eventually, especially during their unfortunate event, and they are being paid with the claim. Yeah, that kind of satisfaction. I don't think we can get it anywhere else.
Yeah, I think helping people give us like some satisfaction. Like, okay, I help people to solve their problem, their worries. Yang tak boleh tidur malam, right?
Yeah, peace of mind. You're right.
Yeah, I agree with you. Right. Next questions. You are in the marketing, and I believe that you have met many people. So what do you think the personality trait and strength that will best fit this job?
I guess in sales, we have to really stay calm, stay positive and perseverance. Especially when we deal with different stakeholders, different different partners, customers. There are always challenges, and we will have to be able to stay calm. Then only we can move on with anything that we want to help or contribute to the people around us.
Yeah, that's very nice. That's very kind words. Okay. Next question, like you can have like dinner party with 4 people in the world. Who will be in your invitees?
4 persons in the world.
Yeah, 4 person in the world.
I think I wanted to say Oprah Winfrey, etc. But I think the best is actually my parents, my uncle and my auntie.
Okay.
Yeah, they are the pillar of strength. Without them, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Yeah.
So they'll be the ones that I want to invite to this dinner party.
Yeah, that's very great. I see your family type person.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, very important, like to prioritize, not prioritize, but they are very special to our heart.
Yes, correct. That's right.
Yeah. Okay. Next questions. What is the some of the best advice that you have ever gotten since you in your career journey?
I think they always tell us just go with your heart, do what is needed to reach the end goal. Do not pull back by people who give you being judgmentals, or don't overthink things. Seriously, just do it. Just do it and do the best thing that you think is right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very kind word, very great word actually. Do with your heart, and yeah. So next questions. How do you like in your perspective of healthy work-life balance? People say that okay, they put that sometimes for work, sometimes for their family, their like hobbies. How about you? How do you your perspective about healthy work-life balance?
I think this is very subjective, right? And I think it depends on how we actually prioritize these few segments. To me, I think family, religion, community, health, and also career. So when one, focus more time on career, doesn't mean that, that person is not being health-life balanced, you see. That's the version of that person's of being health-life balanced, right? So for myself, I think currently I'm focusing on family and also career. So I make it a point that I will need to have dinner with the family on a daily basis. And weekends are definitely for friends and family. Yeah, besides work.
Yeah, that is how you define like healthy work-life balance.
Yes.
Yeah, I do agree that people have like different life, different perspective of healthy work-life balance. I think me would be different as yours, but never mind. It's like individual, right? It's like personalized perspective. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions to our audiences? If yes, please put it in the chat sections or comment sections below. So I will continue with the second segment, which is long form questions. Long form questions is like we would like to know in depth about your career, about your responsibility.
All right.
Right. So I can continue, right?
Yeah, please proceed. Thank you.
Okay. So the first questions for the long form questions is how you threw yourself into the insurance industry, and do you like have background in the insurance?
No, not really, actually. If I may recall, I think it started with this flood that hit my relative's house badly in the East Coast. So, and they did not have an insurance. A few of our family members and relatives actually pulled up a fund to help them. So this made me realize the importance of insurance. How during this devastation period, especially when it's hit by flood, the contents and the building can actually be protected. And when somebody will actually come out to help, with insurance, you will get the help that you required.
Okay.
Yep.
So, this is, as marketing executive, is that your first job?
Yes, it was.
Oh, okay.
It was my first job.
So I think your foundation in the insurance industry plus with marketing is quite strong. It's very strong, I would say, because it's 10 years, ma.
I hope so.
So, guys, I think we can take any advices from Loo Fen. Because I think she is the expert in the industry. So next questions is about how you invest yourself in terms of training and personal development.
I believe in lifelong learning, and our HR, our company actually provides a lot of training. All right. Especially self-learning platforms like LinkedIn, Degree, all right. So, and personally, I've also completed some papers from Diploma of Insurance, and I hope that I will complete it, in the next 3 years.
Yeah, I hope so. I
Yep.
wish. Right, we have questions from our audience. Mary John asks you, what's advice you have for someone new to the industry?
Somebody new. Do not be afraid to ask questions. The more you ask, the more you learn, right? And do not be afraid to do more. Really, that's whatever that you learn, it will stay with you. Yeah, especially new joiners. You just have to do it. On the job training is also a very important skill set that we need. Yeah.
Agree, knowledge is knowledge, but the
Yes,
one
we got to apply it.
Yeah, we apply the knowledge is through the job training. Yeah, agree with you. So we have another question from Mary John. What skill have you found vital to this job?
I think communication skills is key to everything that you do. Because in order to pass on the message to customers, business partner, even within our own internal colleagues, right? Communication is key because the same words, different people might convey it in different manner, right?
Yeah.
And it's good to have a little bit of technical skills as well, so you know what you're doing, especially you are in an insurance industry. Even
Yeah.
if you are not doing sales, even if you are in finance, you got to know what you are actually selling. Yeah, in a way. I mean, that's the core of the company anyway, right?
That's great. Coming back to the answer before this, which is learn something that not only in our within our job, but also something that different from what are we doing now. So next questions from me is what culture look like in the insurance industry? What do you observe?
I would think that the insurance industry is actually very highly regulated. All right. So the interests of the public and the interests of the stakeholders are actually protected.
Okay.
Can I add on? Maybe I can share a little bit more about the culture in Allianz per se,
Sure.
because this is the company that I've been in. I think in Allianz we all work together. We focus on teamwork. You are never working alone. I mean, even from different department, underwriting, claim, finance, sales, we are always, everybody is always there when someone needed help. So I think this is the beauty of it, right? Yeah. So I think, this is, it's important. I mean, when you know that you're not alone, and I find happiness in this teamwork. Yeah.
Agree with you. Me also, like some we get like motivation from our members, meeting with people, work together, and we have like same goals, which is to drive the performance ke ataupun others common goals, and then that's make like the teamwork is very like success. I do agree that teamwork is one of the importance in one's organizations. I glad that you say that. Yeah, I hope that anyone that who would like to join Allianz know that Allianz is very good at the teamwork.
Yeah.
All right. So next questions. What changes or innovation in the insurance industry that you are most excited about?
Well, de-tariffication. We're really interested to see what's next.
Okay.
And there are a few mergers going on. So I'm very excited to see what's going to happen after that in the market, as well as the ever-growing digital insurance.
Ever-growing digital insurance. Can you explain more a bit about that?
Well, if you may see, over the last 2 years, especially during the pandemic, there are a lot of insurance companies coming out with more products to be sold online, and there are more companies that started selling online. There's a few companies that they're actually just selling online. Yeah. So this is I think there will be more that will be coming up, just like fintech, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very good to hear that. So guys, we have come to an end. So I would like to thank you, Loo Fen, for being with us today. I think she has shared with us great advice. But before that, we have another questions from MISF. So what are your next career step? Do you like to stay in Allianz?
Allianz,
Yeah.
yes, I would love to. And I think I hope that I will be able to lead the bancassurance department, one day, and also perhaps after that, exploring other sales channels. I will never limit myself to any opportunities that come up within the company. So, yep, anything is possible.
Yeah, you have like start with marketing executive, and this there is and then the head for insurance. Maybe after that, something else that we can figure out.
Yeah.
So actually, insurance industries have like lots of opportunity.
Yes,
they have like lot of
definitely.
segments,
They are.
departments.
It's so wide, and there are so many possibilities in the insurance industry.
All right, guys. Any other questions before we end this sessions? In 3, 2, 1. Okay. So thank you, Loo Fen, again for being with us. That was very great.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah,
again.
your advice, your sharing is very great. But before that, I would like to ask, like, if you have any last word or last advice to our audience.
Well, insurance industry is fun and exciting. There are so many opportunities, so many departments. I mean, even in sales itself, it's a combination of underwriting, claims, and credit control. So, I think anything that you want to try on, insurance industry have it. So, you're welcome to join us.
Yeah. Thank you again, Loo Fen. Thank you for those who asked the questions. So we will see you next time on Discovering Insurance Show. So please visit our websites and also social media to get the information. All right. So see ya. Bye-bye.
Bye.